Well, as far as the Prime Minister is concerned, that is his usual style and that is his hobby. And so, if you actually notice what he has been saying over the last 10 years, and now it's more than 10 years, it's not about his 10-year governance, it's more about the falsities of his 10 years governance and attacking Nehru ji, Rajiv Gandhi ji, Rahul Gandhi ji, जनता का पैसा अडानी की पॉकेट में, this he won't say. He spoke about a lot of things which clearly show that he is bereft of any new ideas and he is bereft of what his party has delivered in the last 11 years or so. He spoke about 15 paise पहुंचते थे, whereas he actually propagates a falsity there also, Prithvi, because when then Prime Minister Rajiv Gandhi ji had said that ₹1 भेजना हूं तो 15 पैसे पहुंचते, he was talking about the Panchayati Raj which was coming in at that time, and he said that this is the reason I want local bodies and governance at the lowest level, at the grassroots level. He speaks about the 15 paise, he speaks about and he criticizes people, which is always negative. Now, if he had the stature of a statesman, he would actually be talking about the programs that he has implemented, and he should give credit where credit is due. For example, when he talks about the Jan Dhan Yojana or the DBT, which was actually started by then Prime Minister Dr. Manmohan Singh, the Food Security Act, which was brought in by the UPA government under Dr. Manmohan Singh, and he ends up saying that free ka ration, it is not free ka ration, it is adhikar ka ration, and that adhikar was given by the UPA government. But he was talking about the infrastructure budget, and he also referred to certain reports, and I'm appalled at the reports that he was referring to, being the Prime Minister of India, because where are the NSSO surveys? Where are the reports which will give the correct data of the country, of the yojanas, of the schemes of the country? He spoke about Har Ghar Jal Yojana. The fact is that this Jal Se Nal Yojana, which he was referring to from the WHO report, he has forgotten to tell us all the scams which are happening under it. A recent one has unfolded in the state of Uttarakhand. He did not speak about it. He did not speak about the scam which has plagued the Ayushman Bharat Yojana. And I'm not saying it's a bad Yojana, I'm saying what has plagued the Yojana, because every government's work is to take the work of the previous government forward.
But what do you do if